Go to the next Microsoft link to download the tool. Select the download tool now. Open the media creation tool you downloaded. Press Accept. Select Create Installation Media and press Next. If you want other architecture than the one installed on your computer, uncheck the box next to use the recommended options for the PC. When you are done, press Next. Select ISO file and press Next. Choose the location where you want to create your Windows 10 ISO file. Press Finish. The ISO file has been created. You can find it in the location you chose. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.